Ayike laphela kanjalo ke iviki where Mthunzi Mayiza tells his mother. And can somebody tell me why does Mthunzi's mother, every time when she gets a phone call from Mthunzi, she's always washing impahla? Like every single day for the past 3 months. Ma Mthunzi afona, it's either uneki impahla, uthula impahla, or umeduze nempahla. She's always on the washing line. Like, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But anywho, so Mthunzi tells uyamxelela uma wakhe uthi lalela, I'm going to go after Ntate the junior. I just don't understand ukuthi uKhupulo ungena kuphi kuyo yonke lento. Said actually umalume is richer than uBabsemidi. So now the target market is no longer Ubabsemidi but uKhupulo as it is. Now I'm just thinking, how is he going to crack that one? Because it's like uKhupulo has already seen in trouble yependi of this guy. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal on a Friday. Sanibonani abushini molweni minjani ipokela hingongwena no so namuhla kana ngikwa hina Scandal hikuma kuri shilo asha athamisekanga ubaba ufuna a second wife, and the second wife meaning ukuthi that is uDinhle Nyathi. Now bamkhulu start saying ukuthi uDinhle Nyathi is married, she was married before unomntwana. It's not like uzozala uzokuzalela, and the wife was like, when you start calling me ngethakazelo zami kushuthi ke na khona okukhulu okuzokudrop samtshela ukuthi pa bengifuna ucela ukuthatha umkhosikazi wesibili. That could be uDinhle Nyathi. This changes everything. With okay, so you have been nice all this time just because you want to soothe me to get the other girl to be a second wife. Now the question is, uzovuma yini uDinhle ukuthi abe second wife? Because uDinhle is just not about that life. She wants to be the only wife. So I don't know how he's going to play this off. And what if uDinhle refuses and he has already asked, yo nkosi yami kuvele kube mess. On the other hand, uDino is pretending to be awake like ngibhoreka.